Namaste, friends. Welcome to our farm. Today, I want to share with you my small farming journey and also explain the difference between organic farming and natural farming in simple words. When I first started farming, I choose organic farming. In organic farming, we avoid chemicals like urea or pesticides. Instead, we use natural inputs like compost, cow dung, cow urine, neem oil, and organic sprays. The idea is to grow crops in a healthy way without poisoning the soil and food. Organic farming is definitely better than chemical farming, but it still requires us to prepare and apply manures, sprays, and fertilizers regularly. So, in a way, we are still managing the soil and plants from outside. This is the main drawback, I think. After some months, I slowly moved towards natural farming. Natural farming is different. Here, the main idea is that nature itself takes care of the soil and plants. We don't bring much from outside. For example, in natural farming, we don't disturb the soil much. We keep it covered with mulch like dry leaves, straw, or crop residue. We depend on earthworms, microbes, and the natural cycle of to improve the soil. Instead of preparing fertilizers and spraying every week, we let the farm's own ecosystem work. Birds eat the insects, cow dung and urine enrich the soil, and microbes keep the plants healthy. My dream is that birds and insects make their home here. It's very happy to see. They are not enemies, they are our partners. If you give them space, they help in pollination and pest control. I also wish animals and birds enjoy the small water bodies in my farm. Just like us, they also keep a safe place to drink water and live happily. For me, farming is not just about growing vegetables and fruits, it's about building a small world where humans, plants, birds, insects, and animals live together. I really enjoy working here. Sometimes I spend hours and hours in the farm just observing how life goes on naturally. When I see butterflies on flowers, birds singing, and vegetables growing healthy without much effort, I feel farming is not work, it is joy. It's complete joy. So, friends, this is the difference. Organic farming, safe and chemical free, but still managed by us using organic inputs. Natural farming, trusting nature truly, fully, minimum interference, and letting the ecosystem balance itself. I shifted from organic to natural farming because I want my farm to be a true home for all living beings. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and support natural farming. Thank you so much.